Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll be giving you a guide on how to participate in Somnia Airdrop. But before we dive into today's tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and you can get the contract address of WikiCat right in the description. So Somnia is a layer 1 blockchain, and it is EVM compatible, and it is also designed for metaverse applications. So on the 21st of February, Somnia made an official announcement that their testnet is live. It's called the Shannon Testnet. Alright, so let's dive right into the tutorial. So first off, we're going to start by opening Mrs. Browser. Alright, so once we're here, the first thing we're going to do is to connect our wallet. So select connect, select MetaMask, connect, approve, confirm. Alright guys, so we are signed in. So once you're signed in, you'll see that your wallet is connected. Select testnets. Alright, so here on the testnet, these are the various options that you can explore, and we are going to be exploring some of these options, right? But first off, I think we'll have to connect our wallet again. So select the hamburger icon and then select connect, MetaMask, connect. Okay, as you can see, we are connected. So the first connection that we did was actually for referral purposes. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is to add testnet, but that won't be necessary because we already did the first time that we connected our wallet, right? If you select add network, you would see that it says network already added. We already added our network to our wallet. The next thing we're going to be doing here is to request test tokens. So select request tokens. Right, select get STT. Okay, so it says sending tokens. So our token should be lying in our wallet already, and what we're going to do now is we're going to send our tokens. So select send tokens, impute the amount of test tokens. So if you don't have an address, you can actually use a random address. Just select random address, and then it gives us a random address. So once that is filled, right, select send STT, confirm. So you can see down here it says transaction completed, right? So this is one of the things that you can do, right? You can send tokens to your friends. You can even have others send you, test tokens, and you want to ensure that it's something you're doing all the time, right? Alright, so another thing you can explore here is their swap option, right? So select swap, right? You can see that you can swap Ping for Pong, right? If you do not have Ping in your wallet, select mint Ping, confirm. Alright, so we've minted some Ping, right? So we'll put some amount of Ping that we want to swap to Pong. Select approve Ping, confirm. Select swap, confirm. Alright, so we've swapped successfully, right? So you can also do it the other way around. You can swap Pong to Ping, right? Just, explore and use this option. You can also create tokens, impute the name of the token that you want to create, and then here on that token ticker, you can just impute anything. Create token, confirm. I think you can go ahead to see your token by selecting this option. Alright, so that's all. So let's go back. Alright, here you can participate in their meme coin contest, and here is their testnet explorer, so you can go ahead to check it out. Here is for support. If you have issues and you want to actually reach out to them, you can do that here. So I think here is for developers who probably want to build on their network, right? So the next, which is the last here, is a quest platform, right? This is where we'll be completing social tasks and maybe other kinds of tasks, and then we earn points and rewards. So select Go Quests. Alright, so once it brings you here, right, this is like your dashboard, right? You see the amount of points that you have earned, you see your rank, and then you see your total multiplier, your daily multiplier, and other informations. It also have kind of like a daily check-in system thing, right, where you come in daily to check in, right? So here it is. It says GM is disabled for now. If we select this, it tells us how it actually works, right? That you must make sure to click the GM button every day after 12 a.m. UTC. Alright, so ensure that you abide by this instruction. Alright, so these are the quests, right, in the campaigns section, right? So what you do is just select the quest that you want to complete and find out the instructions, like what you're expected to do to complete that quest. You can see for this quest, this is the amount of points that will be accrued to you if you complete this quest. This is the number of people who have participated in the quest. So we're going to select this. Alright, so this is what you're expected to do for this campaign. So once you complete this, you should be given your rewards. So for you to complete the tasks, I think you'll have to select like each of the quests, and then it should maybe direct you to where you will have to connect your X account or your Discord, and then before you can now do the tasks. But at the moment it's actually not working, right? So something you can try later and see if it would work. Alright guys, so that's basically all for now, right? Thank you all for watching the tutorial. If you have questions concerning the tutorial, do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.